In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, collapsible spot to tuck away notes you're done with without deleting anything, so your page stays focused while your older content remains just a click away. First, place your cursor where you'd like your archive to live on the page. We're going to use Notion's / command to quickly insert the right block. Type a /, then start typing the word toggle. As you type, Notion opens its command menu and narrows it down to matching blocks. This is a fast way to add any kind of block without hunting through menus. You should see an option called Toggle List appear in the suggestions. Next, click on Toggle List from that menu. Notion will drop a new toggle block right where your cursor was. You'll recognize it by the small arrow icon to the left. When the arrow points right, the toggle is collapsed. When it points down, it's expanded. This toggle works like a drawer. Anything you place inside it will be hidden when it's closed and visible when it's open. Now, give your new toggle a clear name so you instantly know what it's for. Click into the placeholder text and type Archive. A simple, consistent title makes it easy to find later. If you like, you can keep the toggle open while you're organizing and then collapse it when you're done, but the name will remain visible either way. Finally, move the content you want to archive into this toggle. Hover your mouse to the left of a text block you no longer need front and center until you see the drag handle appear. Click and hold. Then drag the block toward the archive toggle. As you do, watch for the blue guideline and slight indentation that signal you're nesting it inside the toggle. Release the mouse, and the text is now stored in your archive. You can repeat this for any other text blocks you want to tuck away. This works for most block types, not just plain text, so you can keep related notes together. When you need something back, just click the arrow to expand the archive, skim what's inside, and drag any block back out to the main page. Nothing is deleted, it's simply organized. This approach keeps your workspace tidy while preserving a complete record of past notes, so your current work stays in focus and your older content is just one click away.